Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the 5-string or A-shaped Sus2 guitar chord. Sus2 guitar chord. And don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, on this example, I'm going to play the C Sus2 guitar chord. Now, the Sus2 guitar chord is made up of the first, second, and fifth. So we're going to be playing the C, D, and G. So this is what the Sus2 guitar chord looks like. And this is what it sounds like. So we're going to be playing that root now on the 5th string, 3rd fret with the index finger. And basically that's your C note. And we're just kind of going to bar it all over there. I'm going to actually bar it over the 6th string too, even though I'm not playing it, just because I got bigger fingers and it's easier. So I'm just going to place my whole index finger right over the entire 3rd fret. And again, I'll be playing that root note on the 5th string, that C. And I won't be playing the 6th string, by the way. So, I mean, you could, because it's part of the chord. It's a G, you know, but we'll stay with the root, okay? So we got the root there, the C. And then I'm going to place my ring finger on the 4th string, 5th fret, which is a G. And then I'm going to place my pinky on the 3rd string, 5th fret, which is a C. And then the bottom 2 strings, the 2nd string there on the 3rd fret, I'm going to just use my index finger there for the D. And then on the 1st string, 3rd fret, I'll use my index finger barred there for the G. So those bottom 2 strings sounds like that. Now, when I put it all together, so you practice strumming, you practice playing those notes individually to make sure they all come across nice and crisp. And that's basically your 5-string or A-shaped Sus2 guitar chord. I hope you enjoyed the video and check out my other videos.